Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to crochet the tulip stitch. The tulip stitch is the stitch used in my Dallas collection. This is the Dallas blanket I'm currently working on right now. I also have a Dallas scarf and a Dallas hat pattern that uses the same stitch combo. For this tutorial, you're going to need some yarn. If you're working on the Dallas blanket like this one, I'm using a number 4 worsted weight yarn. I'm using Yarnspiration's Karen Baby Cakes in this beautiful self-striping colorway. What's it called? Petals. This is the colorway Petals. It's so pretty, as you can see, and it does the striping all on its own. I'm also using an F3.75 millimeter crochet hook. That is not the hook that the pattern calls for, but this is the hook I make gauge with this yarn. So we're going to use it for our tutorial as well. I'll link both the yarn and the hook in the description. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for the tulip stitch, we are going to be working in a multiple of 4 plus 1. So for the gauge swatch for the Dallas blanket, I am going to be doing 17 stitches. So for row 1, it says to do a chainless foundation single crochet 17. To do 17 chainless foundation single crochet stitches. I have a tutorial for this stitch as well if you want to check it out. I'll quickly go through how to do it. You can also chain 18, so the number of stitches you need plus 1, and then single crochet in the second chain from the hook and across so that you'll have 17 single crochet. But for a chainless foundation single crochet, I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to insert my hook into the first chain that I created, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 1. I have 2 loops on my hook again. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. I've created 1 stitch. This is the bottom, or this is the top, and this is the bottom. I'm now going to insert my hook under both loops of the bottom of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 2 loops on my hook again, yarn over, pull through 2. I now have 2 stitches, and these are the bottom. And then I'm going to continue doing that. I'm going to insert my hook under the 2 loops of the bottom of the stitch that I just completed, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do that 17 times. So I have 3 now, 17. All right. I have 17 single crochet stitches using the chainless foundation single crochet stitch. For row 2, it says to chain 1, turn my work, single crochet in the first stitch, and then we are going to chain 3 and do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So right into the same stitch, I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. All right, now we are going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the next. And now we're doing our repeat. We're going to chain 3 and do 3 DC in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. And it says to repeat across. So we're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. That's the end of our repeat, and then we'll start our repeat over, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and skip 3, single crochet. Chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 3, and single crochet in the last. And that is the end of our repeat, so that's where we stop. And then each of these chain 3, 3 double crochets combined in the same stitch, that is what we're calling a block. So we have 4 blocks for this swatch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, for row 3, we are going to chain 3, turn, and do our 3 double crochet in the first stitch. Like so. Now we are going to skip the single crochet right here and the 3 double crochets, and we're just going to skip right over them. We're going to single crochet around the next chain 3 space, like so. And then we're going to start our repeat. Chain 3, 3 double crochet around the chain 3 space. So instead of working into the stitch, we're working around the chain 3 space, like so. Skipping over the single crochet and the 3 double crochet, we're going to single crochet in the next chain 3 space. And then we'll do our repeat again. Chain 3, 3 double crochet in around the chain 3 space, and single crochet around the next chain 3 space. And we're just going to keep on doing that until we get to the end. 1, 2, 3, and then this last one we'll finish out single crochet around the last chain 3 space. And so we'll have 4 blocks again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so for rows 4 through 6, we are going to repeat row 3. So it's just a 1 row repeat the entire way. So for the blanket, you're just going to be doing that over and over and over again until you get to the end. So I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, 3 double crochet in the first single crochet, and then skipping over the doubles and the single, we're going to do a single crochet around the chain 3 space and repeat. 3, 3 double crochet, skip over those, and single crochet in the chain 3 space. And we will continue. Like so. So I'm going to keep repeating that row 3 until I get to row 6. Okay, this is what you have when you're done. This is where you'll measure. For the end of your blanket, you're just going to do some single crochets at the top to kind of balance it out from the bottom. So you'll just do 1 single crochet in each stitch across, and that just kind of gives it a little more of a trim. You can do it however you want to though. And that's how you do the tulip stitch for my Dallas blanket, scarf, or hat. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to help. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.